Hello everyone, welcome back to the ECC IELTS. The full form of ECC is everyone can crack IELTS. Okay, so today we are going to solve a most confusing type of questions, which is true false not given. And today I will explain how to deal with the true false not given in a easy way. Okay, so let's get started. So again, in these kind of questions we will do we will use this technique, skimming and scanning. Okay, so let's get started with the first question. Andrew Parker failed to make a effective water device which can be used in desert. Okay, failed. Andrew Parker failed हो गया था to make effective water device which can be used in desert. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have to find Andrew Parker. Okay, yeah, here, Andrew Parker. Yeah, actually Andrew Parker. Okay, so Parker had come here to discover precisely how it does this, not from purely biological interest but with the concrete purpose in mind, to make a thorny devil inspired device that will help people collect life saving water in the desert. Okay, the water is spreading our in. So let's see again what was the question. Andrew Parker failed to make effective water device which can be used in desert. Okay, जो डिवाइस की बात हुई है, फेल की तो कहीं हुई नहीं. Let's see, let's read it again. Parker had come purely discover precisely how it does this, not from purely biological interest but with the concrete purpose in mind, to make a thorny devil inspired device that will help people collect life saving water in the desert. So yeah, उसमें कोई भी हमको ये दे नहीं रखा कि वो फेल हो गया था, कोई बता नहीं रखी कि फेल हो गया था, वेदर इट इज़ पास्ड और फेल. सो इट विल बी नॉट गिवन. ओके, you have to write full not given. Actually I am just writing ng and that is wrong method, but in your examination center you have to write full not given. Okay, so let's see another question. Skin of lizard is easy to get wet when it contacts water. Okay, मतलब जो छिपकली की जो स्किन होती है वो जल्दी ही मतलब गीली हो जाती है पानी के कांटेक्ट में आते ही. ओके, let's start. Actually these kind of questions are in sequence, so it is very easy to find out these questions. Okay, so let's see. He said as drop from this eyedropper fell into lizard's back and vanished, गायब हो गई, like magic, जादू की तरह. Its skin is far more hydrophobic than I thought. There may well be hidden capillaries channeling the water into the mouth. तो क्या बोला इसने? द लिजर्ड बैक एंड वैनिश लाइक मैजिक, एज ड्रॉपर फ्रॉम हिज आई ड्रॉपर. ही सेड एज ड्रॉप्स फ्रॉम हिज आई ड्रॉपर. ओके, फेल ऑन टू, उसकी आई ड्रॉप से है ना, मतलब एक जो आई ड्रॉपर फेल ऑन टू लिजर्ड्स बैक, उसकी बैक पे जो छिपकली की है उसकी पीठ पे गिर गई थी. एंड वैनिश, गायब हो गई. ओके, मैजिक की तरह. इट्स स्किन इज़ मोर हाइड्रोफोबिक है देन आई थॉट. उसने जितना सोचा था ना उससे ज़्यादा हाइड्रोफोबिक निकली. देयर मे वेल बी हिडन कैपिलरीज, उसके मतलब छिपी हुई कैपिलरीज हैं उसके अंदर. चैनलिंग द वाटर को ले जाने के लिए, कैरी करने के लिए, इनटू द माउथ, मुंह के अंदर ले जाने के लिए. सो इसमें क्या बोल रखा है? एंड स्किन ऑफ लिजर्ड इज़ ईजी टू गेट वेट when it contacts water. So actually it is a contradictory statement. इसमें ये बोला कि the question is saying that skin of lizard is that kind of skin which is easy to get wet, and in our answer he is talking about that his skin is so hydrophobic. So it is a contradictory statement. So it will be false definitely. Okay. So let's move to the third question. Scientists apply inspiration from nature into many artificial engineering. Okay, artificial engineering, and scientists apply inspiration from nature. Okay, nature into many artificial engineering. Okay, let's see. Parker's work only increasingly make airplane wings. Yeah. This thing. Yeah. Read this stanza carefully. Okay. Yeah. Now it is clear in your camera. Parker's work is only a small part of increasingly vigorous global biomimetics movement. Engineers in Bath, England, and Westchester, Pennsylvania, are pondering the bumps on the loading edges of humpback whale फ्लूक्स टू हाउ टू मेक एयरप्लेन्स. मतलब उसने मतलब हम्प बैक वेल के जो फ्लूक होते हैं ना, मतलब जो फिन्स होते हैं, उसको इंस्पायर होके हाउ टू मेक एयरप्लेन्स विंग्स, मतलब सोचा कि विंग्स कैसे बनाते हैं फॉर मोर एलाइट फ्लाइट. ओके, एगाइल सॉरी. इन बर्लिन जर्मनी द finger like primary feature of raptors are inspiring engineers to develop wings and change shape aloft, reduce drag, increasing fuel efficiency. Okay, architecture in regular temperature, humidity, airflow, their mouths, odor to build more comfortable buildings. Okay, so उन्होंने मतलब it is clear shown that that we inspired a lot from the animals, and that is our question exactly says. Okay, scientists apply inspiration ली उन्होंने from nature into many artificial engineering. Okay, so it is clearly true. Okay. If you don't understand that how it is true, false, not given, then please comment it down, and I will be respond you shortly and make you understand that how it is correct, or how it is false, not given, or true. Okay. So next question. Tiny and thin hair under geckos feet allows it to stick to the surface of object. So it is the keyword of geckos feet. मतलब it is a kind of animal, or it is a kind of you can say that jeev. So it is a name of a particular species. Okay, so it is very easy to find out. So it is our keyword. So let's see where it is. Humidity flows gecko. Fearing West of California, biggest challenge creative fly surveillance pressure fearing which we trees okay, long. So highlight whenever you read the text, when you see numeric values, because numeric values are very important. If because numeric values are always asked in another type of questions, so it is very easy when you skim that essay to highlight important keywords whenever you start another type of question, then you not need to waste your time again and again. So it is very beneficial. Okay, so thicker cats whisper no manufacturers minute his flies maybe micro. Okay, computer. Okay, with micromanaging flies wings nanometer. Okay, matrices parts wings insect wing. Okay, carbon output cheating fly boat itself dedicated. Okay, fiber shoots surprisingly real fly. No, Stanford University mark. Okay, Tosky design Gecko inspired climber that a christened sticky boat. In reality sticky boat हमने वहाँ पे भी पढ़ा था. Okay, so That's trigger in my mind that I read somewhere. So that is why I am saying to you that it is very important to highlight keywords. Okay, in reality geckos feet are not sticky. Okay, असलियत में उसके पैर sticky नहीं होते. They are dry and smooth to touch and own their remarkable adhesion to some 2 billion spectral filaments per square centimeter on their hair toe pads. Each filament only 100 nanometer thick. Okay. um, these filaments are so small, in fact, they interact at molecular level with the surface on which geckos walk. Okay, what was the question? When gecko climb down, no, sorry, the fourth one. Tiny and thin hair under gecko's feet allows it to allow करते हैं उसको to stick to the surface of object, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के सरफेस पे. ओके, allow करते हैं. So in reality gecko feet are not sticky. Okay, they are dry, smooth and own remarkable adhesion to some 2 billion spectra per square centimeter on their toe pod. Each filament only 100 nanometer thick. These filaments are so small, in fact they interact at molecular level with the surface on which the gecko walls. Okay, tapping into them low level van der Waals forces generated by molecular fitting, positive and negative charges. Okay, so I think it is true because they are saying that जो उसके टाइनी एंड थिन हेयर होते हैं ग्रीकोज के, मतलब जो अंडर हिज फीट, अंडर इट्स फीट, सो दैट अलाउज इट टू स्टिक, किसी भी सरफेस पे चिपकने के लिए वो उसको मदद करते हैं. और इसमें क्या बोला है, दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली वट इज़ द क्वेश्चन सेइंग. Spectral tipping filament per square inch centimeter toy pod, each filament only 100. These filaments are so small, in fact these interact molecular level with the surface on the gecko's wall. Okay, tapping into low level one to four create करते हैं forces generated molecular fit. Okay, ठीक है. Sorry, that is false answer. It is false. Sorry bro, false, because in our question it is saying that tiny and thin hair undergo gecko's feet allows, जो छोटे टाइनी हेयर होते हैं वो चिपकने में मदद करते हैं सरफेस ऑब्जेक्ट. But our text is saying that filament so small. Actually it is only describing about the property of its feet, because it has filaments and hundreds of nanometer thick, their measurement. So that is another thing. So here, from here you read from here, tapping into low level van der Waals forces generated by molecular fleeting, जो मोलिकुलर फ्लीट होते हैं उसके द्वारा मतलब वन der Waals फोर्सेस क्रिएट किए जाते हैं पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस के लिए, उसके थ्रू वो चिपकते हैं. विच पुल एनी टू एडजेसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट टुगेदर, मतलब अब पुल करेंगे तो मतलब चिपकाएंगे ना, मतलब एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज है एक नेगेटिव चार्ज है, हमेशा अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, तो उसी प्रिंसिपल पे विच पुल एनी टू एडजेसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट टुगेदर. सो it is false, it is clearly false. Okay, so that is a very good trap from these test makers. So we not need to worry about that, we just need to focus on our text, what is trying to say. Okay, so here's our next question. When geckos climb downward, okay, downward जब क्लाइम करती है, इट्स फीट रिलीजेज ए सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ केमिकल टू मेक देम एडहेसिव. ओके, जब नीचे उतरती है तब उसके मतलब पैर हैं वो कुछ अलग टाइप का सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिलीज़ करते हैं, बनाते हैं टू मेक देम एडहेसिव, मतलब चिपकाने के लिए. ओके, सो डॉक्टर किंग रोबोट डिजाइन प्रोड्यूस फैब्रिक विद टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्शन नो. ओके, पटोस्की robot toys that release research quick strike. Okay, legs and feet polymers. Create a smooth gradation stuff. No sensors. Sticky board climb better. People with results expansion. No. 10 robot. Okay. So glasses plastic. Okay, tile with bit time. Keep equals for the moment. Walk smooth surfaces. ओके फोक होने की बात हुई है. स्मूथ सरफेस एट ए मेयर 4 सेंटीमीटर्स पर सेकेंड. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द स्पीड बायोलॉजिकल. सेल्फ क्लीनिंग. Okay, so the answer of the fifth question is not given. कहीं भी उसने ये बात नहीं कही when geckos climb downward की तो बात ही नहीं की. Fleet release a certain kind of chemical. Okay. Famous cases stimulate a large number. Famous cases, that is very important. Famous cases stimulate a large number of successful products of biomimetics in real life. Okay. So let's read it. यहाँ तक पढ़ लिया था हमने. चलो स्टार्ट से करते हैं. Sticky boy now woke up glass, plastic and glazed ceramic tiles. Solving keep Greekos for the moment can walk smooth surfaces at. Okay. The dry adhesive on skateboard. Self cleaning. Okay. Like lizards either. So rapidly clogs with dirt. Okay. There are a lot of things that Greekos that we simply had to ignore. Okay. Kutowski says still a number of real word. Yeah, this is the real word, means real life. Okay, this is the word. Application are in offering the Department of Defense. Sorry. Okay, sorry, the real word. So this is the application of the offering Department Defense Advanced Research Project Agency funds. Okay, surveillance automobile production. Civilization. Okay, so यहाँ ऊपर था इसके आंसर. स्टिक अबाउट नाउ particular glass plastic. Let's read it again. Tile some of the equals for the moment. Smooth surfaces at mere centimeters. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. For the moment it can walk only on smooth surfaces. एक तो smooth surfaces पे चल सकती है at mere 4 centimeters per second. मतलब 4 बस इससे ज़्यादा स्पीड से नहीं चल सकती. 4 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके. ए फ्रैक्शन ऑफ स्पीड इज बायोलॉजिकल रोल मॉडल. द ड्राई एडेसिव ऑन स्टिकी बोर्ड्स टॉयज इट्स नॉट सेल्फ क्लीन नहीं हो सकता. लाइक लीजर्ड्स इधर. ओके. सो इट इज़ रैपिडली क्लोग्स विद डर्ट. मतलब भर जाता है. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट द geckos. वी सिंपली हैड टू टोस्की स्टील ए नंबर ऑफ रियल वर्ड्स. एप्लीकेशन इन द ऑफरिंग डिपार्टमेंट. Okay, so yeah, I understand. So in this answer it is totally famous case stimulate. Okay, it is biometric successful. Yeah, it is false because इसने बोला है इस क्वेश्चन में. because question is saying that stimulate large number of successful product. But here we can easily find out that per second there is a limitation in our questions. In our passage we easily find that there is a limitation like for the moment it can only walk on smooth surfaces. Okay, at a merely 4 centimeter. मतलब इतनी स्पीड पे ही चल सकता है. तो सक्सेसफुली कैसे हुआ. और इसकी तरह बायोलॉजिकल दैट राइट रिसीव बोट सेल्फ क्लीनिंग नहीं है. ओके. So it is not, we cannot say that it is a successfully products. Okay, so that is why it is false. I hope you will guys understand. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Sorry. Velcro is well known for its bionic design. Velcro. So here is keyword of velcro. I think it is a known for bionic design. So it is a object, it is a man-made object. That is why it is a man-made object. That is why they are saying that no, it's bionic design. Okay, So we need to find out this Velcro, the we need to find the word of this Velcro. Okay, Velcro, sorry. Powered by Nix, okay. Surprisingly mass product, okay. Yeah, Velcro, here is the word. Okay, which was invented in, okay, invent किया था, copying closing edition of iPod research team mimic Gecko's edition so far come to matching results. Additionally, self-cleaning grip. Okay, likewise, scientists have yet to meaningful recreate the abalone nanostructure. Nanostructure is that bionic design. Okay, nanostructure that accounts for strength, wow, strength and its shell, and several well-funded biotech companies have gone bankrupt trying to make spider silk. So yeah, it is true, it is definitely true, because Velcro is known as bionic design. उसके डिज़ाइन के लिए जाना जाता था. Then and what is he saying, scientists have yet meaningful recreate the abandoned nanostructure उन्होंने बनाया that accounts for the strength of its shell and several well funded biotech. ये अलग है. Okay, so it is 100% true. So here are the true false not given. Yeah, I know these are very confusing, but once we locate the location, after that we need to read it carefully so that we can understand what is text saying to us. Okay, so when you deal this kind of question, then there is only one trick, that is skimming and scanning. And actually the major thing is that understanding, you need understanding. Okay, you have that skill that whenever you read any text, then you can easily understand that what is that text saying. So if you get that ability, then you can easily done with these kind of questions, you can easily tackle the situation. Okay, so it is very crucial to read newspapers and books so that you can easily enhance your reading skills. Okay, so that's it, today's video. We will meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye. And one thing more, please keep support my channel. When if you like my content and if you like my teaching style, then hit a subscribe button, and please hit a like button also, and share it with your friends and family who are preparing for the IELTS. So thank you, bye bye.